Hey everyone, talking about whiskey by commodity. The notes in this are Jammy, Plums, Black Currant, Violet, Davana, Patchouli, Saffron, Lavender, Vanilla, Vetiver, Cedar, Ambergris, Oak, and Mahogany. So this opens smelling like kind of ozonic violet and leather to me, and I'm definitely not complaining about that because I really like the violet and leather combination. I'm sure it's from the saffron, which is often used to create leather notes. So basically, yeah, the way it's in here. It segues into lavender really smoothly, but it does keep a lot of that kind of like sort of jammy violet aspect as well. And then the leathery saffron kind of remains all the way through to my nose. It also gets more woodsy as it dries down, but in a really like kind of nice way. Like it's not generic woods, it's not overly dry or like ancient cedar chest or anything like that. It has a sweetness to it, but also kind of a hint of mystery, as well as I would say like a classy side to it at times. I don't think this has anything to do with something that people would think is a whiskey scent. Like, I don't get that vibe from it at all. And I saw a lot of other people say that on, for example, Fragrantica. But since I don't like boozy notes, I'm not complaining about that. Just an FYI, if you were going into this hoping, like, yes, the whiskey scent of your dreams, or even of your nightmares, whatever, like, this just isn't going to smell like whiskey. So, yeah. But I really like it. And I think it smells really appealing overall. I would say fairly unisex. There's times where it seems to lean a bit masculine, but also with yeah, the violin kind of stuff there. I think it's overall fairly unisex. And yeah, it has moderate longevity and moderate to good projection. This is discontinued, but they're still selling the archive kit that it was sold in with like the sample size at least. So I'll link in the description where you can check it out.